Oh, good job. Here, go back. Hurry. Hurry. Hurry.
Catch me.
Catching you.
Oh,
Whoa.
yes.
How was it? Did you have fun running in the rain?
Uh-huh.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Let's jump off the trampoline.
I dare you to.
Why?
Because it'd be funny. Hurry. Ready. Get set. Go. Is it raining too hard to do that now?
Uh-huh.
You want to see Daddy go run in the rain?
Uh-huh.
You want to hold the video?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Just like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Catch me.
I can't take a picture.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Go. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Get too harder.
Cool. You want to say hi to anyone?
Yeah. I get you from there.
Okay. Say hi, Papa. Hi, Grandma.
Hi.
Good job.
I got you there.
Okay.
My baby wants to.
Your baby wants to feel it?
Yeah. My baby wants to. It's getting a little wet.
All right, we're all done cooking. Let's go inside, okay?
My baby gonna want.
Okay, your baby. Hurry back.